In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Xero invoice as paid. This seemingly simple task is crucial for keeping your accounting records accurate and up to date. We'll walk through each step of the process, making sure you have all the information you need to complete this task effortlessly. First things first, make your way to the Business tab on your Xero dashboard. This tab holds the gateway to many of Xero's business-related functionalities, including invoicing, which is our focus for today. Just a quick tip. Ensure you're logged into your Xero account before attempting these steps. If you're not already logged in, you might find yourself facing some unexpected roadblocks. Once you've clicked on the Business tab, the next course of action is to select Invoices. This area is where all your invoicing activities come to life. It's quite the hub for monitoring what's been billed, what's outstanding, and of course marking invoices as paid, which is our goal today. Navigating through your invoices, you'll want to narrow down to those specifically awaiting payment. So click on the Awaiting Payment section. This filters your invoices, showing only those that haven't been settled yet. It's a helpful way to keep track of what needs your attention most urgently. With your unpaid invoices in front of you, the next step is to locate the specific invoice you've received payment for. Once you find the invoice in question, click on it to open its details. This action will bring you into the deep dive of that particular invoice, where you can view all its intricacies from services rendered to payment terms. Upon reviewing the invoice details, you'll notice an option to Add Payment. This is exactly where you need to be. Clicking on this will start the process of marking your invoice as paid, signaling that the transaction has been completed successfully. In this payment section, you'll input the amount paid. It's critical to ensure the amount matches the payment received, whether it's the full invoice amount or a partial payment. Accurately recording this will keep your financials precise and reflect the genuine state of your cash flow. Next, we move on to the account section. Here you'll select the appropriate account where the payment was deposited. Whether it's a checking account, savings, or perhaps even a cash holding account, correctly allocating payments is essential for accurate bookkeeping and financial analysis. Following the selection of an account, you'll have the opportunity to add a reference for the payment. This could be a check number, a transaction ID, or any identifier that helps link the payment to its corresponding bank transaction. Proper referencing is key for reconciling your bank statements with your recorded transactions, making future audits or financial reviews much smoother. Finally, after double-checking all the details and ensuring everything is in order, it's time to click Add. This action officially marks your invoice as paid in Xero, completing the process and closing the loop on that transaction. You've successfully updated your financial records, reflecting the payment received, which is an important step in maintaining an accurate and healthy financial standing for your business. Remember, diligence in recording payments received not only helps in keeping your books accurate, but also provides valuable insights into your business's financial health. It allows you to track cash flow, understand your revenue cycles, and make informed financial decisions. Each step we've covered today plays a crucial role in achieving this accuracy and clarity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to marking an invoice as paid in Xero. I hope this walkthrough not only simplifies the process for you, but also highlights the importance of accurate financial record keeping. Be sure to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore more of our tutorials for further mastering Xero's robust capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing.